Cleaning tools and supplies. Vocabulary. Are you a cleaner? Or intending to work as a cleaner? If so, here are some basic cleaning tools and supplies you need to know in English. Brush and pan. They are used commonly for sweeping up small piles of dust or other small spillages by hand. Rubber gloves. They are used to protect your hands from harsh chemicals while cleaning. Bucket and mop. They are used for cleaning the floor. Hoover or vacuum cleaner. They are used to remove dirt and dust from carpets, furniture and a variety of floors. Broom. It is used to sweep and dust floors. Squeegee. It is a flat tool with a rubber blade used to remove water from surfaces. Paper towel. Paper towels are like normal towels and are used for drying hands, wiping windows and other surfaces, dusting, and cleaning up spills. Cleaning cloth. They are used for cleaning and dusting of all surfaces. Duster. It is a cloth which is used for removing dust from furniture, ornaments, or other objects. Sponge. A soft material used for cleaning. Cleaning spray. A chemical product used for cleaning. Scrubbing brush. A stiff brush used for cleaning hard surfaces like the floor. Kitchen or bathroom bin. A container to put waste. Plunger. A suction device consisting of a cup-shaped piece of rubber on the end of a stick, which is used to get rid of things that are blocking drains. Steel scourer. A metal scourer used to remove food and marks from pots and pans. Scouring pad or scouring sponge. A small pad made of plastic used for cleaning pots and pans. Sponge cloth. A soft cloth-like sponge which absorbs liquids used for cleaning. Toilet brush. A brush with a long handle that is used to clean the inside of a toilet. Bin bag. A plastic bag used to hold waste. Bubbles. A ball of air made from soapy liquid. Recycle bin. A container to hold recycling material like glass and paper. Foam. A mass of small bubbles that are formed in or on a liquid. Aerosol spray. A container in which liquids are kept and comes out as fine mist when sprayed.